Jay, and I'm currently a carpenter by trade. I've gotten into trading for the freedom that you can get through trading. I no longer want to be bound by just a typical 9 to 5. I want that freedom to do what I want, when I want, and still be able to make money, and as much money as I want as well. So that's why I started trading. So since I've began the Vagrant Trader course with Daryl and the others, I've grown a lot, not just as a trader, but as an individual. I've learned my weaknesses and my strengths through the time or whatever. So Daryl has been very good to be on top of me and the others as well. And I've learned my weaknesses and my strengths, not just as a trader, but as an individual. So yeah, so from the beginning, even before starting the course with Daryl, I was losing a lot of money. And when I started, I went from losing a lot of money to a little bit, and then from losing a little bit of money to actually making gains and profiting. So yeah, so thanks to Daryl and the Vagrant Trader, I'm actually getting closer and closer to achieving my goal, which is freedom. So yeah, thank you.